Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tech Zeb. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just the simplistic things on Imovie 11. I just got this downloaded onto my computer probably about a month ago, so it's pretty fresh version. Um, I'm not completely familiar with it, but I do know most of the basics. But right here, you guys see I've got some titles and just some things, but I'll start a new one from scratch. The first significant thing in iMovie 11 is you've got these extra themes, so like these sports broadcast, newscast, film strip, scrapbook. Some of them are in the older ones. Other ones weren't. But then the other really new thing is you've got these movie trailers. So like, say you're bored someday and you've got some friends over and you're gonna make a video. You can, make it look like Indiana Jones, and it'll actually, it'll create, and it'll actually show you. It'll basically make it for you. So, for the credits, we'll just do. We'll just put this in for a couple places. Okay. And then for the logo style, you've got these cool things we can do. A pyramid, some clouds, globe, make it look kind of oldie-ish. Just a bunch of different kinds of things. And then you've got your name. So we'll do Tech Zeb Films. You got your cast, and then you go to your storyboard. So we've got this, and it automatically adds the music and stuff for you. And it's got all these things in here. These are also new. These are actions, so it's gonna take your name and other people, and it'll do that kind of stuff. But then, so for these, you guys can see over here. This is basically just an example of like what it's got. Just a bunch of just random stuff on here. But so there's all that stuff. So then when we want to go in to see it, okay, we're gonna go up here, click on that button, and as you can see, it'll come up. Oh, I spelled Tech Zeb wrong, but whatever. So it's gonna go through these. These are really cool, but we'll just stop that for now. So the X is down there. So it's a lot like iMovie 09, if that's what you guys have been using. I actually skipped iMovie 09. I used to have iMovie 08. Huge difference from iMovie 08 to 11. But now on the sports theme, I'm sure that you guys have seen like videos on YouTube or stuff that have used these kind of things. But so first we're gonna go into the theme, where it's got like the theme and the transitions and titles and stuff. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna click. So this is probably the most frequently seen one. But so let's see. We'll just do this one. We'll say. So then you have to go in here and do some editing and stuff. And you gotta add some stuff, but so there's that, and then it'll show you this, and so then if we go into here, I'll just throw a song on there, just a random thing, and then we go down to here, it's just gonna open up like that. So those are just some of the basic things on iMovie 11. Some of the significant changes. It's got a couple new sound effects, some new transitions, some new title pages. But the main ones are of course, the like action shots, I guess, if that's what you want to call them, whatever. But those, and then the movie trailers are the big ones. Then also, there's this button over here, right here, that you click on. It'll show the sound. So let me put a song in there from iTunes. So we'll just take this song, put this in here. So then I take the song out, and it actually shows. So it's gonna show the song. So say I've got a video going on right there, and I don't want that song. You know, I can adjust it, making it quieter. See how I got that to dim out, be quieter. I can actually, so if I want it louder, take it up 500%, you guys will notice the difference. See how it kind of went up and then down. I can drag that down, have it be 0%. But yeah, those are some pretty cool things you can do with iMovie 11. But yeah, thanks for watching again, you guys. Remember, subscribe, tell your friends, comment. You know, you guys can request be friends. You know, you guys can share tips and comments for me, or if you guys have any requests for instructional videos on things. I'm gonna try and post an instructional video on GarageBand and maybe iPhoto if I get time to do that. But so yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. You know, if you guys don't have iMovie 11, it'd be pretty wise to get that program. It's a great program to use. I think it's easier to use than iMovie 09, but or even 08. But so yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.